Hello, in this video we'll show you how to make a rain in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube, go to Add menu and from Mesh add a plane. This will work as a rain catcher. Press Shift D to make a copy of it. Press GZ and move it up to the original one, and the new plane will work as a rain emitter. Go again to the Add menu and from Mesh add an ICO sphere. From the left bottom corner menu decrease the subdivisions to 1. The ICO sphere will work as a water drop. Press G and move it far from the emitter and the catcher. Select the emitter plane and go to the particle properties. Press the plus sign to make it particle system emitter. You can change the frame end to be 250 as in your timeline. Scroll down and under render, change renderer as to object, and at the instance object select the ICO sphere. At the timeline play the animation to check the rain. Change the scale randomness to 0.08 and change the scale to 0.01. Hide the emitter at both the render and the viewport display. Go to Physics Properties and add Dynamic Paint Modifier. Change its type to Brush. From Settings press Add Brush button. Scroll down and at Source change the paint to Particle System. Under it select Particle System. Check the Use Particles Radius. Select the Rain Catcher plane. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. Repeat this many times as shown. Change the mode to Object Mode. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. While selecting the catcher plane, go to the Particle Properties, add Dynamic Paint Modifier. Let the type to be Canvas. Press the Canvas button. Scroll down and change the surface type to Waves. Change the radius value to 0.2. Add some water material to the ICO sphere. Also add the same material to the rain catcher plane. At the timeline, play the animation. That is it.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.